Hey, what's going on YouTube? Real quick video for you on chainsaw maintenance. Here we got a 261C. It's got about somewhere around 6, 7 tanks through it. Cutting green wood, poplar. Let me show you a real quick, fast way to get you back out in the field for tomorrow morning. The oil holes a little clogged, nothing too bad. I'm gonna hit everything with air, blow her out. Nice and clean. And every like 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so of real use, I pop this off, clean out in there, and I put a small little bit of grease on the needle bearing. But this saw right here has got over 400 hours on it. It never broke down. I only replaced the sprocket twice so far. See, she's still pretty decent. Now when doing your air filter, this one's pretty clean. Make sure you go from inside out with the air. Blow in here, out this way. See, she's doing a pretty good job of keeping all the fines out and chips. Now you're going to want to come in here, hit your flywheel side, pull starter. Also a good time to get near your caps. Clean saw's a happy saw. Got the clutch cover, blew that out real quick. Now I'm gonna blow out the oil holes or oil ports, and then I'm gonna sharpen her up. Also a good time when you got the air compressor out is to blow out inside the rails. Clean this out. I mean, there's tons of stuff in here. Blast that out, hit the sprocket real good where you get a nice spin going. Get your holes nice and clean and clear of debris. That will solve a lot of oiling issues right there. Now here's exactly what you're looking for. Nice clean rail, holes clean and clear, and you also want your sprocket your nose sprocket to roll nice and free, smooth and easy. Another thing you want to make sure you've got set right is your chain tension. Right now, this is kind of how I like it. Not too tight. I can move it with my hand. Not holding the saw right now. Now if you're limbing, doing branches, some people like to keep it a little tighter, and if you're strictly bucking firewood, some people will run theirs a little looser. This is kind of in the middle right here. It's not too tight, not too loose at all. If I hold the saw, I can move it pretty easy. Definitely want to keep an eye on that when you're cutting.